This $2,000 jacket began life on a Brahman cow. What turns raw hide into luxury is an extraordinary journey. From Brahman cattle hides to hand-finished luxury jackets, this facility produces pieces that define premium leather craftsmanship. One hand holds the beginning, the other holds a $2,000 luxury jacket. Everything in between is precision craftsmanship. From durable Brahman cowhide to a $2,000 luxury jacket, this line masters every step.
Get up there, move along now. Watch the gate on the left. We need 2 more in this section. Steady boy, keep it slow. Make sure the path is clear down here. All right, next one is ready.
Only the finest Brahman hides are selected for $2,000 jackets. Quality control starts the moment they arrive. Flaws here mean the hide never becomes a luxury jacket. One defect can ruin an entire garment. These hides are stored under precise conditions to preserve quality for the luxury jacket journey. Precision cutting begins long before sewing. Every panel must meet luxury standards. Every kilogram is tracked. The luxury jacket you wear started as a measured hide. Proper conditioning ensures the leather will become soft and durable enough for a $2,000 jacket. This is where a Brahman hide officially begins its journey to becoming a $2,000 luxury jacket. Chromium or vegetable tanning turns raw hide into durable, workable leather. Tanning drums typically run 16 to 24 hours per batch for high-quality leather. Uniform thickness is critical. Too thick and the jacket feels stiff. Too thin and it lacks luxury resilience. Controlled drying prevents cracking and ensures the soft hand feel of luxury jackets. From durable Brahman cowhide to a $2,000 luxury jacket, this line masters every step. The right finish gives the jacket its signature look and longevity. Luxury leather coatings are applied in layers measured in microns. Trained eyes catch imperfections that would ruin a luxury jacket. Inline inspection can reduce final defects by up to 60%. Every panel is cut with millimeter precision for perfect fit. Skeeving creates the supple seams that define luxury leather jackets. This thin layer protects the leather while preserving its natural suppleness for years of wear. Heat locks in the color and protection that define a $2,000 luxury jacket. The right lining transforms a leather shell into a complete luxury garment. These fine details elevate the jacket from good to exceptional. Every zipper and button is selected to complement the premium Brahman leather. These invisible bonds ensure the jacket maintains its shape for decades.
Hand-guided stitching gives luxury jackets their distinctive durability and beauty.
Thoughtful details inside and out define the $2,000 experience. Technology and human expertise work together to maintain uncompromising standards. True luxury means no compromises. Every jacket must meet the highest standard. Heat and pressure give the jacket its tailored silhouette. The leather must be flawless before the final stages of luxury construction. This resting period ensures long-term shape retention. Conditioning reduces residual stresses by 60 to 80%. Multiple finishing passes create the signature depth of luxury Brahman leather. Separate pieces become one exceptional $2,000 luxury jacket. Full assembly coordinates over 50 individual leather and hardware elements.
Expert approval ensures every jacket meets luxury standards before final steps.
Even in leather goods, CNC ensures perfect consistency across every jacket. 5-axis systems reduce setup time significantly in high-end production. Robots provide tireless precision on repetitive seams. Massive yet gentle pressure creates the jacket's lasting silhouette. Light creates permanent, elegant branding without compromising the leather. Fiber lasers mark at high speed with micron accuracy. The final finish is what customers feel first when they touch a luxury jacket. Every fastener must operate flawlessly for the lifetime of the jacket. A luxury jacket must move with the wearer, not against them. Technology ensures every jacket meets identical luxury standards. Luxury means withstanding real-world conditions. Each jacket carries its own story of craftsmanship. Technology confirms what skilled hands have created. The last step ensures the jacket arrives perfect to its owner. Packaging is designed to preserve the leather's condition during transit.
Every element tells the story of the Brahman leather journey.
The box itself reflects the quality inside. Every detail reinforces the exclusivity of the $2,000 jacket. From one jacket to global delivery. One pallet carries the craftsmanship of many skilled hands.
Only perfect jackets leave for customers worldwide.
This is the full journey from Brahman cow to $2,000 luxury leather jacket. World-class efficiency turns raw hides into exceptional products. Premium manufacturers target over 85% overall equipment effectiveness. Each jacket represents hundreds of hours of collective expertise. From raw Brahman hide to this masterpiece in your hands, this is the art and science of luxury leather craftsmanship.